Guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now, you having trouble with the friction zone when you're making tight turns to the right? Well, I'm gonna give you my opinion on why I think you're having trouble, and I'm gonna give you a quick, easy tip that will really help you Harley riders. So hang tight. In my experience teaching, the reason the riders have a hard time when they're making tight turns to the right is because when they turn the handlebars to the right, the left arm is really extended out, which really makes it hard to manipulate the clutch. Now, depending on your handlebars and how you have them set up, could make it even tougher. Now, for my demo, I'm gonna use a 2017 Harley Road Glide with 14-inch handlebars. As you can see, my left arm is really stretched out. Now, depending on how short your arms are, could make it even more difficult. So here's the easy tip that will give you a couple more inches of reach. Now, the tip is move up closer to the gas tank when you're doing slow speed maneuvers. Now, if you have stock handlebars, it could cause the handlebars to hit your thigh when you're going to full lock. Now, also, depending on how far you sit up in the seat, it could make it hard for you to use your rear brake, unless you have the extended rear brake pedal. Depending on how you have your bike set up, this may not work as well for you, but it's worth a try. Now I'm going to show you the difference in my reach when I move up in the seat. You can see that my left arm has more bend compared to when I was sitting normal in the seat. You can see in these photos that my left arm and shoulder are a lot more relaxed when I'm sitting closer to the tank. Now, this can work for any motorcycle if you're having trouble with your left arm being too extended when you're making your tight right turns. Now, also, the closer you are to the tank, the more leverage you will have when you're turning the handlebars. Now, if you're having trouble with the friction zone or you just want to fine tune it, I recommend you checking out this playlist. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.